Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars, mini trucks, mini vehicle here. Now I start cleaning with the first one. Super motorbike with cute color with number 6. Racing super motorbike. A strong case super motorbike. The next one, ambulance. Another one, Hero Captain America. Off-road car, mini off-road car. Mini airplane, white color. Now check the next one. A bigger cement mixer. Truck. Mini racing car, green color. A nice racing car. About this one. Mini racing car, yellow color. Mini ladder truck, red color. Monster truck, everybody, this is a monster truck. Okay, let's move. Garbage truck, mini garbage truck. We can see garbage truck in series. Yellow bus, yellow express bus. Okay, now check the next one. About this one, red car number 3. After we check the red car number 3, this one, we can see a sign of spider. Hero Spider-Man, mini Hero Spider-Man. Monster truck, mini monster truck with white color. Now check the last one. Mini airplane. Everybody, let's move to another bigger truck. But before we go to another bigger truck, we have to clean. Okay, I move it to somewhere. Everyone, I bring this truck here so we can see lot of cars here. Now check the next one. Mini airplane. Okay, the next mini excavator. You can see a mini excavator with orange color. Now check the next one. Monster truck, mini monster truck here. A nice monster truck with cute colors. Everyone, you can see a cute ladder truck. Very nice colors, interesting colors. Super motorbike, red color. The next one, Mobil Truk, Indonesian language, Mobil Truk or truck. How about this one? Monster truck, mini monster truck. The last one, excavator, mini excavator with yellow color. Everybody, so we need to go to another bigger truck. Okay, like this. A cement mixer truck, a cute cement mixer truck, mini cement mixer truck. Monster truck, mini monster truck. How about this one? Hero Iron Man, red Iron Man. Bulldozer, mini bulldozer. After we check a mini bulldozer, we can see a transportation truck, a logistic truck. You can see a big container express service. How about this one? Police car green color. Police car green color. Everybody, how about this hero? Captain America. How about this one? Racing car green color. Mini racing car green color. Very nice racing car. Everyone, if you like my video, please write down. Drop me a big thumb up. And especially don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.